May alam ka bang laptop na good for work and school tapos under 25k lang? Yes, eto na yun. Acer Aspire Lite 14. Solid sa specs, swak sa budget. Magaan dalhin, malinis tingnan, work from anywhere, no problem. 14-inch Full HD display, malinaw sa documents, masarap pang Netflix. Intel Core i3 N335, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, multitask nang walang abala. Yung battery life niya, from first class till last call, kaya hanggang 10 hours ng trabaho. May libre pa tong wireless mouse at laptop bag. At guess what? All in for just 24,690 lang. Acer Aspire Lite 14. Smart choice para sa estudyante, freelancer o casual user. Bilhin mo na! So message us now or visit na sa pinakamalapit na branch namin sa PCS Naga, Sorsogon, and Legazpi. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Take your PC to the next level.
Want a game, want to stream, want to build that beast. PCS got the heat, parts stacked like a feast. RAM, GPU, and SSDs. We got the setup to fulfill your tech dreams. From budget built